Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing from Christopher Ward. Been a while since I had a watch from them. I saw this one, I really liked how it looks, and I thought, okay, I'll write the guys at Christopher Ward to ask them if I can review the watch. And it's one of these thin integrated bracelet watches, but something that usually I would never buy. So this is something that totally outside my, let's say, comfort zone for watches. And I'm usually not a big fan of these kind of watches, but let's see. This watch is the 12660 in DLC. So actually looks really nice, I have to say. First off, you get the box, the usual Christopher Ward box. You get also like a cleaning cloth, some stickers. Pretty good. You get a 60-month guarantee with the watch, 60 days to return it, money back guaranteed, which is quite good as well. Let me take this out. Pretty hard to take off. Because I was on the wrong end. That's why. I have to say the workmanship on the watch is really good. Finish is excellent, I have to say. So, what do we have here? We have the 660, which weighs on the bracelet 85 grams only. Really, really nice. I think the main advantage of this watch is the thickness. It has a 6.6 thick. Wow, it's really, really nice, I have to say. You get a diameter of around 38, lug to lug from these two lugs around 44, and like I said, thickness 6.6. You get a really nice DLC coated case and bracelet. So I have to resize it. As you can see, a lot of back play here, but yeah, I'll resize it after the video. So you have a DLC. DLC stands for diamond like carbon. It's a coat on the stainless steel, which has 660 on the Vickers scale hardness for the surface. You get a, that's cool, easy release strap system or spring bar system. And let me clean this. You get the Sellita 210 hand wind movement behind the sapphire crystal, which is a little bit smoky somehow. Gives it a really nice look with the DLC. You have a 30 meters water resistant, or 3 Atmos, so around 30 meters, not 30 meters. And you have a non-screw down crown. As you can see, I could screw it directly. So it's a hand wind movement running on 28,800 vibrations per hour. So we have a 42 to 45 hours of power reserve. And it would range from plus minus 15 seconds per day for accuracy. You have this bracelet, which is really well constructed, I have to say. And I really like that they added this spring bar system, easy release system, because it would make it much easier. Because you have also, as an accessory for the watch, you have the rubber strap, which I think if I'm buying this watch, I will get the bracelet, but I will get the strap on it to wear it as a daily if I'm getting it. You get also a number of colors for this watch. Let me clean it again, sorry about that. It does get smudged quite easily, I have to say. So you have the minutes and hours hand, that's it. You don't have seconds, so you cannot adjust it 100% accurate. You get white, blue, and around greenish blue dial colors with the steel. On the DLC, you get the black, you have the bracelet, and you have the rubber options as well. This one costs 2,070 euros. The other ones start from 1,785, I think. And the best thing is it has also a anti-shock system. So it does take it could take a beating as well as a daily watch. And as you can see on my 17 centimeter wrist, it does look quite nice. So if you have like a 6.5 to 7.5, I think that's the perfect, or even 6 or 5.5 inches. So maybe 16 or 15.5 centimeter wrist, you'll still be able to wear this watch quite easily. Even on the rubber, I think it will wear even smaller. Really, really nice watch, I have to say. Swiss made on the 6 o'clock. As you can see, no loom. So it's not so night or versatile watch, but I have to say it looks fantastic on this DLC coating. Definitely enjoy trying this watch out. Yeah, definitely. So if you do like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like, also subscribe. And if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, please leave them in the comment section. As always, you'll find the subscription button right here in the middle and 2 videos on both sides, left and right, that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.